Hello guys, you're welcome once more to NEPH. If you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Okay, let's look at these problems unsolved and improve our skills on solves. Okay, so the first problem here simply says we have square root of 5. The bracket means multiply, so we have 6 minus square root of 5. Now, how do we solve this first one? All you need to do is you want to use this to multiply 6 and you want to use this to multiply minus what? The square root of what? 5. So let's apply what I've just explained. So it's going to be square root of what? 5. Okay, is going to multiply 6. The bracket means multiplication. So we have minus. Now the square root of 5, okay, is also going to multiply what? Square root of 5. This is going to be, now when you have this, you can simply write it like this, 6 root what? 5. Okay? So whenever you have something like root n multiplied by n, you can write it as n multiplied with n. Okay? So minus. What about this? Okay? For this, we can take one root sign and multiply the numbers 5 times 5. So whenever you have, let's say, root n multiply by root n, you can take just one root sign and multiply n times n. Okay, so let's see what this further gives us. So we have 6 root 5 minus, okay, square root of 5 times 5 is 25. So at this point, we can now be able to get our answer, which is going to be, we have 6 root 5, okay, now minus, and what's the square root of 25? It is 5. Because 25 is a perfect square, and 5 times 5 can give you 25. So the square root of 25 is 5. Our answer to the first problem is what? 6 root 5 minus what? 5. Okay. Now let's quickly work on the second problem step by step. Okay. Now for the second problem, we have two brackets that we have to multiply. So for B, we have 6 plus root 3 multiplied by 1 plus 2 root 3. Let's do this step by step. First, I want to use this, okay, to multiply all this. Let me write that out simply. So we have 6, okay, multiplying the whole of this bracket, which is 1 plus 2 root 3. And we now have plus root 3, okay, plus root 3 multiplying still the whole of this bracket. All right. So remember, we use this to multiply this, and we use all this plus root 3 to multiply this. So you have it here and here. Now we can now expand the brackets. 6 is going to multiply 1, so we have 6 will multiply 1 plus, okay, 6 will multiply this, so 6 will multiply 2 root 3. Now plus root 3 is going to multiply 1. Okay, the brackets means multiplication, right? And finally, plus times plus is plus, and root 3 is going to multiply 2 root 3. Okay, now we can now open our brackets. So 6 times 1 is 6, plus 6 times 2 here is 12. Okay, root what? 3, plus root 3 times 1 is still root what? 3. Okay, plus, now for this, okay, now the sorts can multiply themselves while the 2 stays out. So what that means is I'm going to have 2 and root 3 is going to multiply with 3, and that will give us root, we have 3 times 3. Okay, having gotten that, we can now further simplify to see what we can get. So this is going to be, we have 6 plus we have 12 root 3 plus root 3 So plus, we have 2. Now this is going to give us square root of what? 9. Okay? And square root of 9 is actually a perfect square. So we are going to have 6 plus. Now if you observe something here, we can add this because these two sorts are actually the same. So it means we have 12, okay, plus there is 1 here, so we have plus 1. Can put it in bracket and bring one of the sorts out, okay, plus we have 2, and this gives us what? 2 times square root of 9 is 3, okay. So this is going to give us, we have 6 plus 12 plus 1 is what? 13. So we have 13 with 3 plus 2 times 3 here is going to give us 6. Now if we observe, we can see that 6 here and 6 here are alike. So we can collect like terms. So I'm going to write this 6 and bring this plus 6 close, okay, and we have plus 13 root what? 3. So our final answer to this problem is going to be what? We are going to have 6 plus 6 is 12 plus what? We have 13 root what? 3. So that gives us the solution to the second problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Hit the like button, do well to subscribe and share this video to someone. I'll see you guys in my next one.